My name is Ramiro Ortiz, and I'm working here as a maintenance. I maintain all the equipment, and I'm happy, and I love my job, what I do here, and especially because all these people, they are like a family.
Our product is actually checked throughout the process a total of 4 times. So we feel certain that the customer is getting what they need and that our product does comply with all of the regulatory entities, and I think that's how you build trust.
You know what we've learned over the last 23 years? That we have a lot of loyalty with our customers. We try to do the things maybe that some of the competitors don't do. We try to give them a little bit better service. We try to give them consistency in quality. And if they call and they have a challenge or a problem, we answer.